Today we are going to be drawing Bart Simpson. So the first thing you want to do is figure out where you're going to have your eyes. So I'm just going to put my eyes right here. You just want to do kind of a rough circle in pencil and overlap them, because we're going to be going over this in pen. Make sure that your circles are fairly round. I prefer to do lots of little lines to kind of get the right shape. And the next step is to get the nose, curve it slightly, not too much, and it needs to end about where the line of the face is going to be. So it should look a wee bit like that. Okay, just put your little eyes in there. And yeah, now we're going to do this bit down here. It juts out slightly. I think I've done a bit too much on it. Juts out slightly. And then comes back in. Just a little smile on the end there. I'm going to move my eye over here because I want him looking sideways slightly. The next bit is his neck. So it comes in like this and back out like that. I'm just going to colour in my eyes now so I know which ones are which. There we go. Now, we need to get the bulge next to his eye. So make sure you have that. And your character should be, your Bart should be looking sort of like this. And now comes up to about, from the top of your thumb to with the benders. That's how long his head should be before you start to do the triangles. His haircut. I think, yes, I'm right. It has a slight curve, so draw a thin line across there, and then down like this, and draw the little ear, so that you can see where the curve is to get the curves in his hairline without really knowing. And you just don't put the hair over the curve. Then big line all the way down to just below his eye level, and then do the ear. It's a flick, and a curve, and another flick like that. Then just comes all the way down to here. Now we can start to go over it in Sharpie. I'm going nice and slow because I don't want to muck it up. Okay, now I'm going to rub the lines that I made with pencil out. And now the main part of your Bart Simpson is done. You're going to add, well, it's up to you, add a line down here. Make sure that's not touching that. Just like this. This is the shadow on his head, which we'll colour in soon. Now you just want to do the neckline of his t-shirt. Down here, comes to about there. And then he has the arm of his t-shirt. So like a big mushroom. And there's the bottom of the mushroom. There we go. Just do that for the other side. Like this. Go over that in Sharpie. Boom. There we go. Now, to colour in, his shirt is red and he is yellow. Actually, I forgot something. Over here, you also need to add shade. And I would colour that in now, because when you colour it in, you colour over it and it gives the right effect. So just colour that in now. I think he's looking a bit grey. We should add some colour. Now for the yellow. There we go. All finished. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if it was helpful, please comment down below. I'd love some feedback. See you next time.